Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Ford Escape. Now I purchased this SUV from a car auction and it only came with these two keys with no key fobs. So in this video I will show you how to program a key fob to this vehicle. Now this video will actually apply to most of older Ford models such as Taurus, Fusion, Focus, Expedition, Explorer and a couple of others. In the description below the video I will try to post a full list of years and models this should be working with. So I had a couple of these spare key fobs and I will show you how to program it. Now these buttons are a bit worn, so this is the lock button and this here is the unlock button, but you can buy these brand new aftermarket key fobs on eBay or Amazon for like 10-15 bucks and they should work. Okay, so to start, your driver door has to be opened and car has to be unlocked. And now what you have to do, you have to get your Escape or any other Ford into the programming mode. And to do that, you will insert the key into the ignition lock and turn it 8 times to on and off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now after the 8th time you will hear your Escape locking and unlocking. That means it entered the programming mode and all you have to do, just press the unlock button on each key fob you want to program. And that's everything. You can turn the ignition off and your key fob should be working. That's it. And this way you can program as many key fobs as you want, but if you have already one that's working and you're just adding a new one, you will have to program both of them again. Okay, thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.